Redundancy in automated warehouses is about designing systems that keep running when something inevitably goes wrong. Because in automation, it's not a question of if a component fails, it's when. A well-designed redundant system prevents a single failure from becoming a full operational stop. Instead of shutting down entire aisles or zones, redundancy isolates only the affected component while the rest of the system continues operating. This protects throughput, stabilizes order sequencing, and helps operations continue to meet customer SLAs, even during disruptions. Redundancy isn't over-engineering. It's risk management built into automation. So let's look at how redundancy is engineered in practice, using TGW Logistics' FlashPick system as an example. First, the shuttles. Maintenance can be performed on a single shuttle maintenance level without stopping the entire shuttle aisle. Other shuttles in the same aisle continue operating, keeping material flowing. Next, the tote lifts. Each tote lift at a shuttle aisle is equipped with 2 independent load handling devices per mast. If one device goes down, the other immediately takes over vertical movement with no major disruption. Multi-level loop crossings connect picking loops across levels, allowing totes to move freely even during localized failures. On the conveyor side, KingDrive motorized roller conveyors add another layer of protection. Multiple motorized rollers per zone are standard. If one roller fails, it rolls freely while the others continue driving the zone, keeping products moving. And finally, our PickCenter One picking stations. Any shuttle aisle can feed any picking station, ensuring downstream operations remain productive no matter what's happening upstream. So what happens when something actually fails? If a shuttle goes down, the remaining shuttles in the same aisle continue working, and inventory is reallocated if needed. If a load handling device fails, its twin takes over immediately. If a conveyor roller stops, other motorized rollers maintain flow. If one pick center is unavailable, another can seamlessly replace it thanks to the high flexibility of the FlashPick design. FlashPick was designed with redundancy at every critical point, from shuttles and lifts to conveyors and picking stations. This system-wide architecture maximizes uptime, strengthens resilience, and delivers predictable order cycles. Redundant shuttle aisle engineering isn't a feature, it's a requirement for modern material handling. If your operation depends on speed, accuracy, and uninterrupted fulfillment, redundancy needs to be built in from day one. Read our blog to learn more, or contact TGW to see how FlashPick can keep your facility moving, no matter what.